you want to learn how to create a Hostinger account step by step, this is the video for you. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to sign up for Hostinger, choose the right hosting plan, and get your account fully set up the right way. I've also included a link in the description with the exclusive Hostinger coupon code that can save you even more on your Hostinger purchase than the standard pricing shown on their website. Quick disclosure, the link in the description is an affiliate link, which means I'm earning a commission at no extra cost to you. You still get the discount mentioned in this video. By the end of this video, you'll have your Hostinger account created and be ready to start building your website. Let's get started. Once you click the link in the description, you'll land on the Hostinger page. Go ahead and click the Start Now button to view the hosting plans. You'll see three main options: Premium, Business, Cloud Startup. Also, keep in mind the exclusive Hostinger coupon code linked in the description can save you even more money than the discounted pricing already shown on the page once applied at checkout. All Hostinger plans include a 30-day money-back guarantee, 24/7 customer support, global data centers, free SSL certificates, and a 99.9% uptime guarantee. The premium plan is a great starting option for beginners or smaller websites. You can host up to 3 websites, get 20 GB SSD storage, 2 free mailboxes for the first year, weekly backups, free website migration, manage WordPress hosting, and a free domain name on qualifying annual plans. The business plan is the option most people will probably want. It includes everything in premium, but with more performance and features. You can host up to 50 websites, get faster 50 GB NVMe storage, daily and on-demand backups, a free CDN for improved website speed, and access to powerful AI tools like the AI Website Builder, AI Writer, AI Blog Generator, AI Image Generator, and AI SEO tools. The Cloud Startup plan is designed for larger websites, businesses, or projects needing additional power and resources. You can host up to 100 websites, get 100 GB NVMe storage, or processing power, a dedicated IP address, and priority support. Once you've decided on the plan, click the Choose Plan button underneath it. You'll now be taken to the cart page. On the right-hand side, click Have a Coupon Code. Then paste in the exclusive Hostinger coupon code from the description and click Apply. You'll instantly see the total price drop even further. Next, under Period, choose how long you want hosting for. Keep in mind that annual plans include the free domain name. For this tutorial, I'll choose the 12-month option. Every website also needs a domain name. Type in the domain name you'd like, and if it's available, you'll see it show as free with qualifying plans. One quick tip: if the domain defaults to a longer registration period, switch it to 1 year so it remains included for free. You'll also see free domain privacy protection included, which helps keep your personal contact information private. You may also notice an optional add-on called Hostinger Reach. This is Hostinger's AI-powered email marketing tool. It's completely optional, so you can add it if you want or simply continue without it. Once ready, click Continue. Next, create your Hostinger account by entering your email address and password, then click Register. After that, fill out your billing information and payment details. If you scroll down, you'll also see the different payment methods Hostinger accepts. For this tutorial, I'll use card payment and click Submit Payment. Once your payment is complete, Hostinger will begin setting up your account. You'll then be guided through a few quick setup steps, such as choosing what type of website you want to create, selecting how you'd like to build your site, and setting up your login details. Hostinger also gives you options like WordPress, the Hostinger Website Builder, or starting with a blank PHP HTML website, depending on what you want to build. After the setup is finished, you'll be taken to your Hostinger dashboard, also called hPanel. From here, you can manage your hosting account, websites, domains, email accounts, billing, and more, all in one place. And that's how to create a Hostinger account step by step. If you want the exclusive Hostinger discount and coupon code mentioned in the video, you can find it linked in the description below. And if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more web hosting and website tutorials.